Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
When it comes to foldable displays, Huawei has honestly felt like it already hit the ceiling. After spending time with the Huawei Mate X6, I genuinely couldn't imagine how the experience could be improved. But then I used the Huawei Mate X7, and it became clear that Huawei still makes handling foldable screens look effortless. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. With a design that feels just as refined as ever. The Cloudscape design draws inspiration from a 1,000-year-old tradition, symbolizing the peak of Chinese brocade craftsmanship. This art form is known for its rare materials and incredibly complex techniques, which is why it has always been considered so valuable. Now Huawei has brought this exquisite craft back to life on the Mate X7, using advanced technology to recreate a delicate fabric-like texture on the back panel. As light moves across the surface, it shimmers like flowing clouds, and when you hold it, you can actually feel that fine texture under your fingers. If you've watched my earlier videos, you'll know I've always spoken highly of Huawei's attention to craftsmanship and design, and the Mate X7 once again proves that its industrial design goes beyond a single dimension or culture. It's not just about visual appeal, it's also about how the phone feels in your hand. In many ways, touch is even better at conveying emotion than sight. The Cloudscape design on the Huawei Mate X7 comes in two color options, Cloudscape White and Cloudscape Blue, both of which look elegant and soothing. The gold detailing ties everything together beautifully. Of course, for those who prefer a more classic style, Huawei hasn't forgotten you either. The familiar Phantom Purple, Phantom Red, and Key Black options are still available. Beyond the materials themselves, the deco interface on the Huawei Mate X7 has also been reworked, breaking away from previous designs and setting a new direction. The updated time gate layout feels more solid and brings multiple cameras together in a cleaner, more organized way. With sharper lines and clearer corners, the entire back panel looks more balanced and cohesive. Compared to the softer, rounded look of the previous Mate X6, this new design introduces a hint of boldness. Design, after all, never lies. The moment you touch the Huawei Mate X7, it's easy to fall for it. On the imaging side, the performance is still more than impressive. Cameras have never really been the main focus of foldable phones, and if you look at many ultra-thin foldables on the market, their imaging capabilities often take a noticeable hit, but that rule simply doesn't apply to the Huawei Mate X7. From a hardware standpoint, the camera system has been completely refreshed, featuring a 50-megapixel high dynamic range main camera, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel telephoto macro camera. The standout feature here is the camera system itself. A massive 1.28-inch RYYB sensor boosts light intake by more than 31%, while the second-generation Hongfeng primary color camera improves color accuracy by 43%. Together, these upgrades give the Mate X7 a true flagship-level camera experience, especially when it comes to light and color. Starting with light, achieving a similar shooting experience always comes back to the sensor. The sensor is the foundation of image quality, and a larger sensor doesn't just mean brighter photos, but cleaner, more natural images overall. That's why the first thing you notice with the Huawei Mate X7 is how pure the images look. The night samples make this especially clear. Their beauty isn't only about reduced noise in low light, but also about the impressive dynamic range. Huawei uses a high dynamic range sensor here, something usually reserved for its top-tier camera flagships, and now it's part of the Mate X7. This allows highlights and shadows to flow more naturally within the frame, eliminating the awkward blur and harsh light-shadow transitions that often ruin night shots. Another advantage of the large sensor is how much it improves night portrait photography. Phones often struggle in low-light situations due to limited light intake, which leads to motion blur and missed moments. With the Mate X7's large sensor camera, the success rate of capturing sharp images goes way up, making it easier to capture lively expressions even at night. And when it comes to modern flagship cameras, having a great main camera is only half the story. The other half depends on a strong telephoto lens. Thankfully, the Huawei Mate X7 continues Huawei's excellent telephoto tradition. I especially enjoy using it for dramatic landscapes, like the sample shots you're seeing shooting here, which I captured on Mount Sagongi. The Huawei Mate X7 comes equipped with a 3.5 x optical zoom telephoto lens, equivalent to an 84mm focal length. This range happens to be my personal favorite for telephoto shooting. It creates just the right amount of spatial compression while still giving you the flexibility to capture close-up portraits in a variety of settings. Looking at real-world results, whether you're shooting wide landscapes or detailed portraits, this telephoto lens isn't just practical, it's genuinely impressive. At this point, it's almost essential for me. I even have a very straightforward belief now. When evaluating mobile photography today, the telephoto lens is the key. A great telephoto lens usually means great overall imaging. The first generation Hongfeng Original Color Camera left a strong impression on me, and color accuracy has never been about simply hitting precise numerical values. It's more about creating a unique visual tension that feels alive. With the Huawei Mate X7, that sense of visual tension has been taken even further. What really stands out in this tuning, how tuning is how naturally it presents different color atmospheres. Take vibrant green as an example. This is a photo I shot with the Mate X7. The scene itself is extremely simple, something you could find in almost any park, a clear lake surrounded by greenery. These kinds of scenes are naturally refreshing, but they're also the ones that make me want to press the shutter, because the Mate X7's second generation Hongfeng primary color camera renders these colors in the most pleasing way possible. Another great example is warm, fiery red. In late November, Shanghai is at the peak of autumn, and the maple leaves around Xuxia Lake are at their most beautiful. When you step into a scene like that, you immediately understand why Huawei named this system the Hongfeng primary color camera. While it allows you to instantly feel the rich color atmosphere, shooting in such conditions is actually quite challenging. Here's a comparison between the Huawei Mate X7 and other flagship imaging phones in the same environment. You can clearly see that the color rendering is completely different. The Mate X7 doesn't just look more accurate, it looks more comfortable to the eye, doing a better job of conveying the true feeling of autumn. But accurate color reproduction offers more than just perfect saturation. There's an even deeper reason why photos from the Huawei Mate X7 feel richer and more three-dimensional. The explanation is simple. The second generation Hongfeng Original Color Camera can display real color layers. On one side, it allows different hues to blend together more naturally, like the reds and yellows in this image. On the other, it helps distinguish subtle differences within the same color. If you look at an autumn Hongfeng forest, the reds aren't flat or uniform. They vary in tone and depth. Of course, a single scene can't fully demonstrate the Mate X7's color performance. Complex lighting situations are where it truly shines. For example, in strong autumn environments, shooting portraits can easily lead to unnatural skin tones. But in these sample photos, you can see that skin tones and autumn colors balance each other beautifully, resulting in realistic, textured skin while keeping the surroundings just right. I'm also a big fan of Huawei's unique personalized color card system. Its brightness control does a great job of balancing the subject and the background, making portrait shots far more pleasing overall. Urban night portraits and aquarium scenes are also common examples of tricky lighting in everyday life. In these situations, the Huawei Mate X7's skin tone rendering and atmosphere feel distinctly Hongfeng. Thanks to its large sensor and second-generation Hongfeng Original Color Camera, the Mate X7 clearly shows Huawei's sincerity in imaging. But it's not just about sincerity. It's about delivering real satisfaction to users. That's why it includes nearly all the core features you'd expect from a mainstream flagship phone. One example is the Telephoto macro feature. I've loved this function ever since Huawei introduced it. As it has continued to evolve, it's become an increasingly powerful creative tool. Compared to the macro magnification found on many flagship phones, the Huawei Mate X7's approach feels almost like a microscopic effect, while still being practical for daily shooting. This balance makes Telephoto macro something I actually use more often. Another standout feature is movie effect mode, which lets you capture video with beautiful background blur. After spending some real time with the Huawei Mate X7, this is my honest experience. To me, this is a phone made for people who truly appreciate beauty. That beauty starts with the design. The new cloud brocade design language delivers a subtle visual elegance while also offering a layered, tactile feel. And then there's the beauty of imaging. By inheriting Huawei's imaging DNA and breaking past the usual limitations of foldable phones, it doesn't just make you want to take photos, it makes you enjoy the process of shooting. So if you're searching for the best answer in the dual foldable category with top-level craftsmanship and a seamless user experience, the Huawei Mate X7 stands as the answer. Let me know what you think about the Huawei Mate X7 in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.